There is a reason why your hamstrings never seem to stretch out, and I'm here to tell you why. Hi, Dr. James Vegher here. I'm a specially trained doctor of physical therapy who focuses on helping people solve their joint pain issues. Are you one of those people who know they have tight hamstrings and, despite stretching and stretching, never can get them to stop being tight? Today I'm going to help you understand why and show you the best stretch for your hamstrings. But that's not all I'm going to give you today. Stick around to the end of this video for a special gift. I've created a short quiz designed to uncover your worst pain areas and give you a personalized roadmap to pain relief. So, the hamstrings is a group of muscles that runs along the back of your thigh and crosses both your hip and your knee. So it not only helps you bend your knee, it also helps you extend your hip. But if any of those muscles get overworked, it can cause strain. You use your hamstrings when you're walking, running, and jumping, but if you're sedentary or have trained your body to move differently than it was designed to, it can be common to have tight hamstrings. It is important to understand that having tight hamstrings doesn't automatically lead to pain, and conversely, having loose hamstrings doesn't mean you will be free from pain in the low back, pelvis, hip, or knee. In fact, your hamstring tightness has likely developed as your body's way of compensating for a movement dysfunction. Because of an altered way of moving, your hamstrings may have shortened to provide stability and control to your hips or back. This is the real reason so many people stretch their hamstrings without any real results. They are unconsciously moving with an altered movement pattern, which requires the hamstrings to overwork or shorten for stability. So you can get down on the floor and stretch that muscle out as long as you want, but once you get up and start moving again with the same altered movement pattern, you are training your hamstrings to shorten again. The key is to reorganize your body and change how your mind is using them. I'm going to show you how to do that, but first, you need to know that this movement is intended for a broad audience, and you may require more specific attention. Also understand that if I was working with you one-on-one, I would be able to provide treatment and guidance on all of the facets of your pain. There is much more that goes into solving your problems that encompasses your whole body, and I encourage you to check out my other videos for a more comprehensive approach to solving your pain problems. Let's get to that stretch. Okay, so this exercise, the stretch, is done in sitting, and your legs need to be dangling and not touching the ground. So sitting on the counter, a strong, sturdy table that's not going to tip, that can tolerate your weight. These are both places that are fine to do this exercise. The setup for this exercise is all about making sure your body is in good alignment, and then on top of that good alignment in your body, we're asking your leg to move, which will stretch out your hamstring. So start by sitting up tall. Sometimes when people try to sit up straight, they stick their chest out as the way of moving. Sometimes they actually lean backwards, thinking that that is extending their back to get it straight. What you want to think about is your head should be moving towards the ceiling, and your body weight should be moving forward at the same time. So when you combine those two movements, the net result is that you're going to feel like you're moving towards the front of your butt, the front of your hips. So really work on making sure you're not tipping backwards when you go into this position. So once you have that upright alignment, it doesn't have to be aggressive. You don't want to hold on to it really tight. It's sort of get into the movement and just leave it there. Get into that position and just leave it. The next part of the move is actually just straightening one of your legs, or trying to straighten one of your legs. So as I just go to straighten my leg here, my right leg, you can see that my leg is straightening, my knee is moving into extension, and I'm only moving as far as I possibly can without pain and without the back losing control. The hamstring is going to want to pull on your pelvis and rock your pelvis backward and move you into hip flexion, lumbar flexion. And really the goal here again is reorganizing your body. What you're saying is, I want my body to stay still, and then I want my knee to move, or I want my hamstring to lengthen. So it's a simple exercise. Once your leg gets straight, only straighten it as far as you can without any movement in your back or your pelvis, and hold it there for a few seconds, 5 to 7 seconds, and then release it. and just repeat. This is designed to tell your brain how to change the movement of your body. The more you practice this, the easier it will get and the more your body will respond. So there you have it. Be sure you listen to your body and stop immediately if you experience pain. Pain is your body's way of telling you something is wrong. As promised, I have that special gift for you. All you have to do is click the link down below in the description and it will take you to a page where you can take that free pain quiz. I would really love your help with leaving me some feedback down below in the comments. Let me know how this stretch felt for you. Be sure to click the subscribe button so you can get even more pain relief and corrective exercises and tips. And remember to give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend or family member who might find it useful. Until next time, take care of yourself.